Hello student, we will continue with the last lecture as we are discussing about the thyroid gland, which is the largest endocrine gland. We have discussed the tetraiodothyroxine, that is T4, and triiodothyroxine T3, its function and disorders. Now next we will discuss its third part, that is calcitonin. Calcitonin, it regulates concentration of calcium and phosphorus in blood. This is its main function, and it lowers or decreases the concentration of calcium and phosphate in plasma. This is the most important, that it lowers the concentration of calcium and phosphate by decreasing their release from the bones. Thus, this is the main function of calcitonin, to lower the concentration of calcium and phosphate. Now we will discuss our third gland, which is parathyroid. This is situated, if we talk about the position, then it is situated on posterior surface of thyroid lobes. That is, it is 4 in number. And the most important is, it is also called Kulep's hormone. This is one of the most important. Now, parathormone, or it is also called PTH, and calcitonin act antagonistic to regulate calcium phosphate balance in the blood. That is, PTH, that is parathormone, increases blood calcium to normal level by withdrawing calcium from the bones and reducing loss of calcium in urine. Thus, it is clear that PTH increases blood calcium level while calcitonin decreases the calcium level. Now, we will discuss the disorder related to parathyroid. The first we will discuss the hypoparathyroidism. That is, less secretion of parathyroid. In this, the first disease we will discuss is parathyroid tetany. In this, lowers calcium ion in blood due to secretion in urine. Thus, there is the deficiency or lower calcium ion in blood. Now, the next we will discuss about hyperparathyroidism. That is, high level of PTH, that is parathyroid hormone secretion. It results into a disease called osteoporosis. In osteoporosis, softening of bones occur. sometimes results in kidney stone. So this is all about the disorders of parathyroidism. Now we will discuss our next gland, that is thymus gland. If we study its position, then it is situated in upper part upper part of thorax near heart. Now its main function is it secretes hormone called thymosin, and this thymosin help in development and differentiation of T lymphocytes, and this is also help in antibodies formation or production. This is all about the thymus gland. Now we will discuss the next gland, that is pancreas. It is the heterocrine gland. This is the only gland which is heterocrine in nature. That is, it is exocrine as well as endocrine in nature. In exocrine nature, it releases pancreatic juice from the pancreas into the duodenum. Now, by the endocrine means, if we study the endocrine part, by the endocrine means from the islets of Langerhans. These are the cells which have different functions. Mainly it have three types of cells: alpha cells, beta cells and the delta cells. Alpha cells codes for glucagon. Alpha cell secretes glucagon, beta cell secretes insulin and delta cell secretes somatostatin. Now if we further study, glucagon increases the blood glucose level. That is, it converts glycogen to glucose. Thus glucose level increase. Thus it promotes glycogenolysis, that is breakdown of glycogen. While in case of insulin, it decreases the blood glucose level. That is, it converts glucose to glycogen, and this process is known as glycogenesis, that is formation of glycogen, and this is stored in liver. The glycogen is stored in liver. Due to this insulin, a disorder called diabetes mellitus occur, in which the glucose level increases and insulin does not work properly. If we talk about the somatostatin, then it acts as inhibitor of growth hormone, which we call GH. Thus, it is also called as growth hormone releasing inhibitor hormone, or GHRIH. It also inhibits glucagon, and this is all about the pancreas, and we will further study the next hormone like pineal gland, adrenal gland and gonads in the next class. Thank you.